Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome to your oracle reading for today, for 20th November 2020. And this is Shilpa Menon. So, what have I chosen today? I've chosen a lovely deck called as the Sacred Indian Tarot deck. I hope you can hear me as well because I'm just trying to plug in with the headphones today. But we just asked the universe, what would you like to tell us today via the tarot cards? And the message that's come in today is very beautiful. The card that's come in is called as the Purusha or the Emperor in the traditional tarot, right? So Purusha is a number 4 major arcana card. Now, number 4 itself in numerology means that simply a structure is supposed to be formed in your life. So a day to form structure, a day to go ahead and organize yourself, look into the details when you're working with things, a day to bring in a set of discipline to when emperor shows up. It's about if you look at an emperor is someone who's already at an authority figure, who's ruling the throne, which means he has the wisdom of years. So that is exactly what the universe is asking you to do today. Use your logic, right? Allow for the authority to come in. Be a leader unto yourself. These are the qualities you've been asked to invoke today for yourself. If I total today's day, which is 20/11/2020, that totals to number 8. So anything to do with your career, anything to do with establishing yourself, that is exactly what is going to show up today. A certain build up, but use your logic. Be practical in taking the decisions. Do not allow your heart to take over. Today is the day for the head to come into the picture. I'm also going to read the saga that is in this book that's given around, and I quite like it, so I'm going to read that. It says that in Hindu mythology, the Purusha is a cosmic man with 1,000 heads and 1,000 eyes and 1,000 feet, encompassing the earth, spreading in all directions into animate and inanimate things. Purusha is described as a primeval giant sacrificed by the gods, from whose body the world and the varnas or the caste systems were built. In Indian philosophy, the spark of life in each individual is called as the Purusha, in whose presence the matter constituting Prakriti becomes vitalized. It is true, it is being said that we all have the yin and the yang, or the Shiva and the Shakti, or Purusha and Prakriti within us, which is basically the day where we take action. There are days when we go within and we are receptive. So today is the day where the universe is asking you to take action, to be more determined and to move forward in that direction. Hi everybody who's joined in. I'm just going to show you the card. So yes, the card is Emperor. So that is the energy, and because it's a major arcana card, it is a lot about literally being aware of what is the energy the universe is bringing on the table today. Allow for the creativity to come in, use your wisdom, and have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. This is exactly your reading for today. So just for today, be logical, be pragmatic, take charge of your life, take charge of certain decisions, and convert your thoughts into actions. Because it's a number 4 card, build stability, build foundation. It's a beautiful day to start something where you're building a certain structure and getting into certain disciplines or rituals. So today is your day for that, right? With this, I'm signing off. This is Shilpa Menon. Just for today, invoke the leader, invoke the masculine, invoke the Purusha energy, and enjoy your day. Happy, happy, happy Friday. You're welcome, Shweta. See you all. Goodbye.